I'm Sam. I'm with SA Construction Group. SVG does not disappoint. It has been the number one investment that we've made as a roofing company. You know, when we got in, we were dealing with a lot of growing pains. We had a lot of bottlenecks in the business. Right away, all of that was taken care of. Any questions that we had, and still to this day, any questions we have, Anthony, Steven Martinez, James Farley, those guys get back to us right away. They've connected us with some outstanding people in the industry. We've learned so much, and our investment has been returned, hundreds of times over. I could not recommend SVG anymore. It's definitely more than a training platform. It's funny, when we were doing our first call, when we were getting sold pretty much, they said it's more than a training platform, it's a family, and I thought it was just a sales tactic at the time, but it actually is. It's paid itself back hundreds of times. We've got all of our sales guys on it. Our whole team is on there, and they do the training. It was a huge help to us as owners as well. But beyond that, being able to reach out to these guys that have been in this space for years and years and years, and there's no reason to reinvent the wheel. And they've helped us out through some of our biggest bottlenecks as a new, fast growing company. So thanks, guys. Couldn't thank you enough. SVG is great.